Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys one of the best app that must have on your iPhone. And I came across this app today and I've been using it, and it's really helpful. And it is, in my opinion, one of the best app that you can have on your iPhone. Now I'm using my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it's already installed on my device. And I'm going to show you guys everything about this app. Now, before we dive into this video and before I show you guys this app, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video about best application or best app for your Apple device. And now that's been said, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. And we're going to take a look at the app called Whiteout. As you guys can see right here, it's called Whiteout. And once you install this from the App Store, then come to your Springboard and you will see it on your device. It's like this. And you open this up. As you guys can see, this is the interface of this application. And what you can do, as you guys can see in the bottom, well, let me show you guys the text, whiteout or the highlight image using live text. So you have, now you guys know that Apple brought the live text to the iOS, and now that's why I'm showing you guys about this app. It's really handy. So as you guys can see in the bottom, select an image. So we're gonna click on this. And once we click on this, and I'm gonna open up this, I took this screenshot from the Safari. So as you guys can see, the betaprofile.com. So what you can do, you select like this. And then, as you guys can see in the bottom, this icon right here, just like the app icon on your Springboard, click on this. And as you guys can see right here, the text got, white out. And then what we can do the bottom part, 07 2018 to 08 22. So now, what you can do in the bottom, as you guys can see, we got this color image right here. So you can pull up all the colors, and let's say you want to do yellow, just select the color of your choice and then hit. And as you guys can see in the bottom, I don't know if you guys can able to see it on the camera, right there, it turned to yellow. And then if we click on that, as you guys can see, the text got highlighted, white out, and then it's a yellow color. I don't know if you guys can able to see it on the camera, but it's yellow. And now, if you want to highlight, so we're gonna highlight this text right here. So what you can do, you can, as you guys can see right here, we're gonna select, and then we're gonna click on this little circle right here, and it will bring out the all the colors. So we're gonna, by the slider, we're gonna go to 42% and do a red right there. And then we're gonna close this, and then as you guys can see right here, this one is a light red button right here, and we're gonna click on that. As you guys can see, the text got highlighted in red. So this is really awesome, really nice application, and I highly recommend you guys checking this out. So it's called Whiteout. And if you guys have any question about this, please let me know in the comments below. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.